Arthur Eze is on track to establishing a university in the southeast. A few days ago, Osita Chidoka continued on his self-imposed task of engaging Igbo billionaires to start secondary schools, polytechnics, universities or adopt an existing one for full funding. In the quest for results, he met with Prince Arthur Eze at his residence in Enugu, to follow up and encourage him in his quest to establish a university. Osita had this discussion over the past 5 years and gradually got to the point where he has committed to establishing one now. Arthur is an interesting and intriguing personality. His generosity is legendary and his worldview an outcome of his maverick nature. We have an agreement. Good news. Arthur Eze has committed to the university project. Chidoka will help, at no cost, in the effort to twin the school with a foreign university and ensure the engineering school is of a world standard. He is a US-trained engineer. Before Warren Buffett started his giving away project, the Giving Pledge, Arthur had always talked about the futility of keeping wealth. He had always insisted that he will give away his vast fortune before death, and he is doing that. Yesterday at the Cathedral of Good Shepherd Enugu he gave a check of 20 million naira and asked that the church should take 10 million and share 10 million to all the poor people who came to church. Again he asked all rich people to give away to the less privileged. The university must happen. I will continue to engage him to stay focused and avoid the ever-present distractions he faces. Hopefully I will get the other billionaires, known to me, to commit soon. Education is the key to the future competitiveness of the Southeast and Nigeria. Investing in education or subsidizing it for those who can't afford it, is the best investment of all times. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Njenje Media TV, and press the bell icon for notifications. Please don't forget to like, share and comment out videos. Stay tuned for more video.